My name is Karl Deutsch. I'm a graphic designer, and this segment is on how to create a good poster. The first thing to determine is what format you're going to use, the size and whatnot, whether it's going to be a bleed or non-bleed poster. Today I'm going to just start with opening a new document, and I'm just going to use a simple letter size poster design. Margins, I'll bring those down just a little bit. And here under more options is where you determine your bleed. If you want to bleed, you want to do at least 1/8 of an inch bleed. So that's 0.125. I'll make sure that's on all 4 edges. Click OK. So there you have a simple page. Here's where you drop in any images, any text, any colors, whatever you want to convey or put on your poster, and to design something nice and eye-catching and grabbing. So what I'm going to do is open something here that I've already done. 1 minute. And this is for Sun River Festival of Cars. We'll just ignore that. So here I've placed several images and text on the page. How you organize them is up to you, but you should definitely keep in mind hierarchy and what's the most important thing. So Sun River Festival of Cars, the dates, sort of the focus of it, and all the sponsors. You can set all of these images up in layers, which sometimes helps organize things. So if you want to hide the sponsors temporarily to get behind it and see something else, or dates or whatnot, so you can hide all of these. And you can actually set up several different versions of the poster if you want to, and just hide the layers as you need. So as you can see here, I don't have a full bleed set up for this poster. This is a non-bleed poster, but I have everything contained within here. And one thing you want to keep in mind with posters that don't bleed is how close to the edge all of the images and text are, because sometimes when printers print, they shift a little bit, or if the pressman is kind of falling asleep, they may shift, and you don't want to cut off half of where the location is. So you always want to keep in mind to keep things sort of within these parameters so something important doesn't get cut off by accident at the press, because accidents do happen. And although they're frustrating, there are ways you can sort of plan ahead to prevent that from happening. My name is Karl Deutsch. I'm a graphic designer, and that segment was on how to create a good poster.